Yeah, I didn't really plan on that one. Welcome back, everyone. Joe here. So we're just leaving PSI Pump Pipe Sales and Service here in North Carolina. There they are. We have a 20-foot, 15-inch wide double-walled pipe, so we could start finishing up that access road. We're gonna head back to my parents' house. We got a flag on the back. We're gonna get this thing unloaded. For some reason, I thought we were getting a 10-foot pipe, but it was a 20-foot pipe. That's the reason why I rented out Tractor Supply's 10-foot trailer to make it easier. But turns out I was 100% wrong about that. And it's a 20-foot pipe and a 10-foot trailer. So we got it strapped down with a flag on the back. But as you guys can see, it hangs off quite a bit. But we're gonna get to driving here. I'll see you back when we get to my parents' house. Guys, I'm not sure who's looking into getting a UTV if you're in the market, but this is the Coleman Outfitter 550. We got it at Tractor Supply. This is a Tractor Supply trailer rental for the day. As you saw on the way in, I had my trailer up top, but sometimes it's a little bit more of a pain in the butt to get that out and use it than it would be to rent this. I mean, I walked in, gave him my card, my insurance information. I gave him my license and my insurance information and hooked up and left. So we're up there. It's a little bit more of a pain because the size we have my dad has a Chevy Colorado, and it's a little bit lower to the ground, and to go up and over that hump up top, it's a tiny bit of a pain where if I would have a full-size truck at this point, it would make it a lot easier. But nor here or there, this UTV definitely helps out tremendously. So I'm just going to take this pipe, I'm going to dump it here, leave it here for today. Tomorrow I'm going to come back out. I'm going to come in, cut this stump out. This debris pile was me, so I could probably just grab it out with my grapple, get that out of there, or just move it to the side for now. This stuff, I'll get it out. What I would like to do is further down this area is burn all this stuff that's down there right in here, get it all out, hopefully within the next day or two, make a nice pile and burn it, because from the house it kind of looks like a bunch of trash. And then that way from I'll probably get the pipe, the head of the pipe in here somewhere, and then bring it right through there, and that way we have a straight shot from that corner post through it to in between this tree to cross here. So I might have to do a little bit of digging depending on how deep this is, because I know for a fact that pipe's not bending. So I'll just reroute it and go from there. It shouldn't be too much of an issue. I say that without being in it, and I don't have an excavator, and I don't think my actual backhoe attachment on my tractor is going to reach down here. I'm almost 100% positive on that. So good news is I'll probably just have to dig and reroute some of this dirt about an inch or two over, probably go down about 3 inches down, so that from up here, from this top level, it's definitely higher than there. Just you know, I'll bring a level. As long as I'm a half a bubble off going downhill, I should have no issue with this water. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, what kind of struggle and how many days it truly takes. But I'm hoping this will only take me about 3 to 5 hours. Yeah, we'll go with that. We'll see what tomorrow has. Welcome back, everyone. Joe here. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. So we're at the next day right now. We're at the creek. I have the pipe over here along with my chainsaw, some other stuff, a shovel down there, a ladder, the little electric chainsaw. What I'm thinking is I'm going to try to clear out some of this right here within the next few minutes, and then lay that pipe down and see how much water flow I'm going to get. I'm probably going to have to try to make like a little bit of a swell inside there, but that hopefully it's soft because it's in the creek already. I do apologize. Within the last 3 weeks or so, I haven't really made many videos. Within the last 3 weeks or so, I haven't made many videos with the holidays and everything going on right now. End of year, making sure licenses are all up to date, making sure paperwork goes out to the paperwork people and tax stuff goes out to the tax people. It's been quite a bit, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but the days are like 8.5 minutes long, so it's kind of hard to get much done when everything else is happening. So today I was supposed to get an earlier start here. I got to my parents' house at 8 o'clock this morning, and currently it's almost 12 right now. A little bit of a late start, but we should be fine. I'm rushing to get Alex and my nieces off the bus, but if not, my mom will be able to grab them. But I should be able to get this done, hopefully, at least with the pipe and some of the concrete holding it down today. So enough talking. I'm going to get over here, climb down. I'll bring you down there so see what we got going on. Grab you. Oh yeah, we're in it. Alright, so there's no shot that's wrapping around there. So I'm going to just try with the shovel. Cut out this area right here and just connect it. So I was able to dig out as much as I can in here. I'm probably a solid 3 to 5 inches down in this little swell I created. I gotta try to stop it from going on this side here, but I think when I put that culvert pipe in, I'll be able to make more of a mouth in this stream up top and capture it mostly from up there. But for right now, I think that's pretty good. It's all directed downhill as much as I can see. I would like to get the pipe dropped in here and see how much of this area I could stop from spreading, but that's mainly because of up here. This is the area here I would like to put the, I guess that's the mouth of it. I'll cut a little area here, butt it up against this little dam that's already here naturally, and then hopefully grab as much as I can, and then whatever dirt I can get, I'll put it on this corner to stop it from seeping on this side here. But as of right now, I would say close to 80% of that water is going the way we want it to go through that, through this swell we just made. So I just got to stop it from getting in here, like I just said. There's a flared end and a non-flared end. So that will not be the inlet. Of course, this is the inlet right here. So what I would like to do is I'm just going to swing that pipe around and hopefully drop it in there. But you know, nothing really goes that easy. We'll try. I wouldn't say it's very heavy, but a lot of the stuff is easier with 2 people. Unfortunately, I don't have that. I have myself and you guys. All right, see where I can get you guys to sit down and drop this baby in. So here it lays tentatively. I'm just gonna try to roll this baby in. It's a lot longer. I mean, then I knew I got 20 feet, or my parents got 20 feet, but sheesh. All right, I'm gonna have to start digging her out somewhere in this area here. Let me just try to, oh, that actually slides very nicely. I'm gonna try to figure something out here. What I'm thinking is, since I'll probably have to go somewhere over here a little bit more, bring it up to in this area here and start damming some of this over. Yeah, I didn't really plan on that one. A baby bubble. Yeah, we have more than a bubble. So to be level, the back would have to come up, I don't know, 2 inches or so. So that's a start. Because I'd really rather be out here somewhere. Like that. That might have been it here. I'm thinking if I just bring this down a little bit. All right, let's try this pipe out. Come on. What the heck's going on? I'm gonna try digging this area out and see if I can bring the pipe forward more. All right, so far so good. All right, I gotta dig out this area and fill that area. So I thought I was recording that whole time and I wasn't. I was actually taking pictures of myself. So there's like 60 pictures of me clicking on and off the GoPro. I'm really not doing great today, I can tell you that much. The pipe went in pretty well. That's been relatively easy. It's just some digging, some splashing, nothing too crazy. Moving some rocks around, but here it is from the top. I'll bring you guys right over here. This is where I started the mouth open, trying to redirect it right through here. It's relatively deep, trying to keep it as deep as I can. I'm going to start digging it out a little bit more, especially in these areas along here to the mouth of that pipe. Try to thin this area out some, But this is all drying out in here. I still have water that's in here that you'll see flowing out of there, but it's mostly not really coming from there anymore. And as you guys can see, it's coming out through here. Pretty good flow. I'll probably thin this out a little bit here so there's next to no resistance, and then just let it keep going. What I have to do is I have to get in touch with David, LIL Boy Trucking. I'll post his number here. I don't know who's in this area or not. But get an idea, tell him this hole is about, I gotta go at least, I would say 8 foot high. I'm 6 foot. And from here to the top is probably 8 foot. We'll call it 10 foot. I'd rather have more rock. I got a 10 foot high, probably close to 15 foot wide, and at least 25 foot long. So I have no idea how much rock that's going to be, and or what rock or material that would be. But I got to make that phone call now. I'll see what's going on. Just in case this is the end of the video, again, guys, my name is Joe. This is Joe's Outdoor Experience. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, if you don't mind, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you back. If this could help someone out, please consider sharing it. If you guys really can help me out, please just hit that thumbs up button right there. It really helps out the channel. I'm gonna keep with this build here, and then I have to clear out all these little nasty trees all along here, all in there. And before I do any of that there, I got to get all in here, because from the house this looks terrible from the house, so I hate it. This isn't my house, my parents' house, if you guys knew, but this drives me nuts. So I'm probably gonna break that stuff up, and I'll give you guys, take you for a walk real quick and light this up down here. Now we're supposed to have some sort of snow, rain, sleet mix. Let me see if I can even get up here without falling. Oh yeah, I'm mobile. So after that, that's this Saturday, it's supposed to be coming out, or the day you guys see that. So that the next day, Sunday, I'll probably come out here with my dad, grab all this stuff and light a fire right in this area here, because it's pretty well soaking wet, or maybe right in this area here. Get all this junk, burn it, get it gone. And what's nice is the goat's pen is here, and we have a hose right here, so we have full access to a hose that will be on. I doubt it's going to get out of control, but who knows, we'll see. But yeah, guys, that's really about it. That's installing a culvert pipe. That's installing a culvert pipe by hand with a shovel, a level, a ladder, and an electric chainsaw. So hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys on the next one. Bye.